Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Hope you are doing well, safe and sound at home. Welcome to my channel. Learn physics and mathematics in more simple way with Murasa. Today I want to tell you about sketching of curves in polar coordinates. I can describe this with the help of that question. Guys, for solution of such question, first of all you have to check either the curve is symmetric or not. For that purpose you have to replace r either with plus r or minus r and theta with minus theta. If the question is remain same, then the curve is symmetric. Conversely, if the equation is changed, then the curve is not symmetric. Let me check the symmetric or unsymmetric condition for this equation. Replace theta with r, r with plus r and theta with minus theta. When I replace this value in here, 1 minus cos minus theta, then a 1 minus cos theta. Since cos minus theta is equal to cos plus theta, it means the curve is symmetric because the equation is remain same. Let's choose some value. First of all, put theta is equal to 0 in this equation. Then r is equal to a 1 minus cos 0, a 1 minus cos 0, 1. Then r is equal to 0. It means theta is 0, r is also 0. But theta is equal to pi divided by 2 mean 90. A 1 minus cos pi by 2, r is equal to a 1 minus 0, then r is equal to a. So at pi by 2, r is a. Put theta is equal to pi mean 180 degree, then r is equal to a 1 minus cos pi, a 1 minus cos pi minus 1, then r is equal to plus 2a. So at theta is pi, then r is equal to 2a. Furthermore, put theta is equal to 3 pi divided by 2 mean 270 degree, then r is equal to a 1 minus cos 3 pi divided by 2 and a is equal to 1 minus 0, then r is equal to a at theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. One more value, theta is equal to 2 pi, then r is equal to a 1 minus cos 2 pi, then r is equal to a 1 minus 0, r is equal to a. Guys, if you note, from 0 to pi by 2, theta is increases and r is also, but cos is decreases. From pi by 2 to pi, theta is increases, r is increases, but cos is decreases. From pi to 3 pi by 2, r is decreases, but cos is increases, and so on. You see such condition in each case. Now let's plot the graph with the help of these value. First of all, I have to draw the two lines. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Furthermore, in here angle is 0, in here angle is pi by 2 or 90, in here angle is pi 180, and in here angle is 3 pi divided by 2 270, and in here again angle is 2 pi. So when theta is 0, r is also 0. It means I am in here. When theta is pi by 2, r is a. It means r is one distance away from origin. So let's say I am in that point. When theta is pi, r is 2a. It means now r is 2 distant away from the origin. Let's say in that point. So let's join these points. It's free sketching. Guys, do remember cos is always symmetric about x-axis and sine is always symmetric about y-axis. I mean, if one curve is formed above the x-axis line, then the next curve will be formed below the x-axis line, because the question is symmetric. Let's check these point with the help of values. Cos 3 pi by 2 angle is A. It means I am in here, and at cos 2 pi angle is A. So angle is A. Yes, I am in here. 3 pi by 2 0, and at cos 2 pi, sorry, in here the cos is 1, sorry, and the r is 0. I will end at that point. So let's join this point again. It's free sketching, do remember. So this is the sketch for this question, or sketching of curves in polar coordinates.